Okay, welcome to problem number 1. We're going to determine the circumference of the circle. We have a radius here of 12 m. So the formula we're going to use is circumference equals 2 pi r. We're going to plug in what we know. So our circumference equals 2. We just bring the 2 down. When everything's put together or kind of side by side like that, that means multiplication. And so that little dot between the 2 and the 3 means multiply. So I have 2 times, and pi, the number we're going to use for pi is 3.14. And then it shows my radius is 12 m. So I fill in my r with 12. So my formula is c equals 2 times pi times r. I plug in all the values I know. C equals 2 times 3.14 times 12. I use my order of operations, which is I look for parentheses, I don't have any. I look for exponents, I don't have any. Multiplication, I have a lot of that. So we go from left to right. So my first step is to multiply 2 times 3.14. So I bring everything down. C equals 6.28, which is the product of 2 times 3.14. I didn't use my 12 yet, so I bring that down. And then I go ahead and put my answer in this box over here on the right-hand side. 6.28 times 12 equals 75.36. So C equals 75.36 meters. I want to make sure that I go ahead and label my answer because the label in the circle is M for meters. And so I go ahead and stick that on my answer. And then I'm going to take this picture here, copy and paste it into the Who Am I slide so that way I can discover who the secret identity is.